By this time, we had arrived where we were going to, which was Tshiheni. We were from Matangari to Tshiheni. So we traveled a long level. So that's me there talking right there. And then next to me, that's Joey Jackson. So guys, just keep on tuned to this video. It's so awesome.
If I don't come back, bro.
Yes, sis, this thing is big, guys. Like, for real, you'll see it in the outside when I just want to show you. But in the side, this is the first room. Yeah, it's huge. It's huge. I'm telling you, you did another rooms in Alex, other than back rooms. And this is the other side. It has like an open lapanyada, you know. The chickens. So all of this is a chicken house, guys. You see how we do it in VENDA. The chicken house. Not even houses in Alex are bigger than this. Yeah?
You got the fire, boy.